Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today the Burrito Brothers are rolling out again. In this episode, I will introduce you to Burrito Brothers, which is the only biker group that attends zero events but attends all breakfasts. And I will show you a ride to a winter sunrise at Khorfakkan Beach. And yes, this episode will also show you how my scientific research continues on how fast a big butt can freeze. But this is not the butt that your dirty minds are pointing towards. Stay tuned and watch the episode to learn more. So let me first introduce you to Burrito Brothers. Burrito Brothers are just a group of friends who are fond of eating and riding at the same time. Not eating while riding, but we always combine fancy food at the end of the ride. So let me introduce you to our current Burrito Brothers group. We start with Dr. Qasim, aka Dr. Daddy, the proud Chota Butt. Then we have Hadi, nicknamed as Dino Butt, and Omar Safdar, since all other butt positions are occupied, so I think I can only come up with a name, let's call him Micro Butt. And the big butt himself, your narrator. Together we form the complete evolutionary chart of butts. And butts again are not the butts that you're assuming, but is a clan from Kashmir area of subcontinent. And they are famous as foodies. And there is a saying in Pakistan about butts and their eating habits. And the saying goes, Jide tid with what nahi, wo butt nahi. So roughly translated, if you do not have love handles on your tummy, then you are not a true butt. Rest I leave it to your imagination. So let's go towards the ride. We rolled out from our usual starting point at Dubai Sharjah border fuel station, the holy headquarters of Burrito Brotherhood. Same place, same friends, some questionable decisions. The plan was to reach Khorfakan Beach before sunrise, because events are our thing, but chasing sunrises definitely is. From the station we hopped straight onto E611, cruising through the cool winter night. Traffic was empty, air was crisp, and somewhere around the 15-minute mark, my butt was no longer crisp, it was frozen. This time, I'm referring to the physical butt, not the clan butt. So yes, emergency hoodie insertion. The Burrito Brothers don't take breaks unless big butt is cold. Once the temperature crisis was resolved, we turned onto E102, the legendary Sharjah Kalba road. Long sweeping curves, mountains, and that quiet pre-dawn calm that makes every rider feel like the world is on pause. Behind us, the darkness began to fade. First a thin silver glow behind the ridges, then soft gold brushing the sky. The mountains around us, those huge Sharjah walls of rock, slowly lit up like someone was turning a giant dimmer switch. This is why we ride. As you see on the moving map, we descended out of the mountain pass, cut across the East Coast highway, and the ocean finally appeared. Just a soft outline at first. The sky was glowing, the sea was still dark, and we were racing the sun to reach the beach. We reached Khorfakan Beach with perfect timing. Soft light behind the hills, but no sun yet. Set up my GoPro for a beautiful time lapse with flowers in the foreground. The whole National Geographic shot. And then I shut the camera off too early. Ladies and gentlemen, my GoPro captured everything except the actual sun. A 4K 120 frame per second documentary on almost sunrise episode 1. Beautiful, pointless, very MotoMoku style. But who cares, because Dr. Daddy came armed with chai, paratha rolls and enough breakfast to fuel a small army. So we sat on the beach, winter breeze, sunrise behind us, chai in hand, discussing important life topics like, why are we like this? After breakfast, we headed back to the same mountain path, this time with full daylight and full stomachs. Another winter sunrise, another Burrito Brothers ride, another memory in the books. No events, no crowd, just friends, bikes, chai and open road. If you enjoyed riding with Big Butt, Chota Butt, Dino Butt and Micro Butt, hit like, subscribe and join us on the next adventure. Next time, we are going to a place where we have not been before, Jabal Jabeer. And I think this is the best ride I ever had in UAE. It is the most fascinating and adventurous road ride I have so far experienced. Stay tuned to watch it. Signing off, MotoMoku.